If stainless steel cookware intimidates you, start here. Here's the test. Heat the dry pan on medium and flick in a few drops of water. If the water spreads out and sizzles flat, just wait. When it gathers into one bead that glides around like mercury, the pan is ready. Stainless steel isn't sticky. Food sticks when the temperature is wrong. Get the temperature right, and the pan tells you everything you need to know. 4 steps every time. Preheat, then oil, then patience, then deglaze. Don't rush the flip. When the crust forms, the food releases on its own. And those brown bits left in the pan, that's called fond, and it's pure flavor. Pour in a splash of stock, scrape, and your cleanup just became a sauce. And yes, eggs. Do the water test, then turn the heat down to medium-low and let the pan settle for a moment. Add a generous knob of butter, put the egg in, and don't touch it until the whites are fully set. It releases on its own. The 2 mistakes are impatience and not enough butter. This is a professional 3-ply pan, stainless steel wrapped around a thick aluminum core for fast, even heat, with stay-cool handles, drip-free pouring rims, and glass lids. And because there's no coating at all, there's nothing to baby, nothing to wear out. It's non-toxic by nature, works on induction, and it's the pan you'll hand down. Stainless steel isn't hard, it just asks you to listen. The water tells you when it's ready, the release tells you when to flip, and the fond turns into a sauce you'll want to put on everything. No coating, nothing to wear out, non-toxic by nature. This is the pan you'll still be cooking on in 20 years. This is ZWILLING Spirit.